Biology Part 15. Next we talk about steroids because the society talks a lot about steroids. Unlike other groups of lipids, steroids have a molecular structure which contains rings of atom. They include cholesterol, which is a good section, they include cholesterol, which is a second important lipid component of many cell membrane, and the cholesterol is quite abundant in the system over there. But other steroids are only present in the minute amounts. These substances are not used as structural components but may act as hormones or vitamins. Some important examples are given, and that's how we move along with them. As we talk about the structures of all cell membranes, a knowledge of the molecular structure and the properties of the phospholipids gives some clues to the likely nature of cell membrane. Dyson-Danieloi model. Well, red blood cells swell up and burst when placed in water, and their plasma membrane called ghost can then be easily separated from the other parts of the cell. Chemical analysis of the membrane has we can tell more about it. It's in fact a model, and which is going through the process of confirmation, in fact. To account its permeability, to account this permeability properties, the membrane was presumed to contain protein-lined channels, pores. Similar people must be these, and of course in the mountains, and strength that we have got here speaks for it. To account for the permeative, and there are pros, this simple model receives some support from electron microscope, which studies the membrane. As outlined in the glossary, we can find instrument allows extreme magnification up to 25,000 times or more than that. With approximated staining techniques, the plasma membrane consistently appears as two dense separated by a space. The Flit mosaic presents a model, and we call it a mosaic model, or so to say, a Flit mosaic model. More recently, other evidence has accumulated which has given a new insight into the membrane properties and led to the development of an improved model of plasma. And we have found the Flit mosaic model, the membrane of different species characteristics, proteins, and as they move along. So what are the functions of plasma membrane? The main function of cell's plasma membrane is to act as a selective barrier, because getting you over to a wall, making your own reach of the transportation, and finding it to be diffused. Diffusion is the normal method whereby cells gain and lose small molecules such as dissolved oxygen, carbons, and doubled